The other day I had a belt break from my electronic entry gate. Walked up to it, heard something, noticed that the gate hadn't opened all the way, and was able to, the motor was just running and spinning, able to turn off the breaker. This is the same way you determine belt size for other belt drive systems. This one was for the electronic entry gate. Gate belt break off. I'll show you how to measure this. You can wrap your tape measure around both pulleys to get your belt size. So I'm at 22 inches. It's a 4L22. The length is 22 and the type of belt is a 4L. But you can also just bring your belt to 4L220. Sorry, not 22, 4L220. And so take this to the store, get a replacement, no big deal. If you didn't have a tape measure handy, and you just had a ruler, you could wrap a piece of wire and then straighten it out and measure it, 22 inches. Or you could piece of string, piece of wire. No big deal here. I turned the power off already at the breaker. Go get a new belt for it. It'll be good as new. Yep, there it is. 4L220. Good deal. I was lucky enough to pick this up at my local hardware store for about $6 or $7. No big deal. Only had to travel a couple blocks. Yep, got the gate up and running in no time. No big deal. This was already set to open, so I just reset the breaker. It turned on for a brief second, then it opened right back up. No big deal. Good to go. Probably gonna last a bunch more years. I actually don't remember ever having to replace the belt in 10, 12 years, so no big deal. If it goes out again, just replace it with another one. Nice, easy fix. Thanks for watching Kung Fu Mans. Over now. Belt drive systems, it's a really good setup because it's just a nice, quiet operation. The motor will only absorb so much impact. There's not much stress, much tension, and it's kind of like a fuse. If it was to overload, well, the belt can break, and then the motor doesn't, break. So it's a pretty nice deal. Belt drive systems.